Get transported into the heart of Africa at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, where animals roam 30 feet outside from your window. From its opening on April 16, 2001, Animal Kingdom Lodge has been home to more than 200 animals across its lush savannas and over 1,200 guest rooms. From cozy rooms with a view of the savannah to home away from home style villas complete with a full kitchen, you'll be able to find the perfect room just for you. Animal Kingdom Lodge is also home to one of the largest collections of African art in the United States. Just take a look at this 16-foot ceremonial mask. This resort is known to have some of the best food here in Orlando, from places such as Boma, Flavors of Africa, Jiko, The Cooking Place, and Sanaa, my favorite. Here you can sit back and relax in one of the two pools spanning across 11,000 square feet of pure tropical bliss. When you're in the lobby area of Animal Kingdom Lodge, don't forget to check out the balcony area to see the design of the leaping antelope. There are so many unique design elements here in this enormous lodge that you must pay attention to. If you're looking for some fun, be sure to check out all of the activities and the amenities offered here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. This includes the Jumbo House campfire, an arcade for you to just play your heart out, a fitness center, an incredible spa, and the opportunity to watch movies under the stars. There's also lots of shopping, lots of dining, and so much more. So, how much can you expect to pay for a night on the savannah at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge? Standard rooms average about $450 per night. But be sure to sign up for any of the Disney emails so that you can receive special alerts on any of the deals that can help reduce this cost. As you can see, Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge is where the spirit of Africa is brought to life. And until next time, happy park hopping hipsters.